ETF fans. Mike here with today's video insight. It's been a while since we did one of these. We've had a bunch going on at ETF Action, so kind of lost our groove, but looking to get back into this. And no better day to do it than when the markets decided to rebound 10%. Saw some of the largest ETF moves we've ever seen. So I thought today would be a great day to highlight some of our dashboards that are completely free at etfaction.com and show you how you can use them to track markets through the lens of ETFs across all of our different proprietary classifications within our dashboard. So to get started, I'm just going to start out by looking at equity size and style ETFs. So on the left dashboard, go to equity size and style. And you can see, on this page, there's a lot of information going on right now, but just kind of at a high level, we group up all US ETFs that are focused on size and style, global ex-US, global. So all these different grouped up by us, that grouping. And if you open it up, it's the more detailed category. So then from here, we have key stats, the AUM in each category, as well as the expense ratio, average daily trading volume. We have a bunch of live stats for price change, amount of volume that's traded on the tape that day. So we can see across size and style, these ETFs traded 338% of their average daily volume. That's a 90-day average daily volume. And we can go in and look at this a little bit more detail. So if I just want to sort by fair market value, not surprisingly, large cap growth there bounced on across 137 ETFs. The average return today was 10.38%. Let's open this up and look in a little bit closer. And we can see the Pacer PEVC ETF was up 14.78%. Buzz, VanEck Social Sentiment, Invesco Top QQQ, Triple QA, Touchstone Sands Capital US ETF up 13%. Just wild moves across all these different ETFs. Obviously, if I scroll over, you can get into more long-term return as well as all the flows data updated daily on the site, but really just wanted to focus in on some of these crazy returns here today. If we jump into the small cap category, there's a couple of others that really jumped out at me. Victory Shares US small cap volatility weighted was up 13%. Nuveen small cap select up 10%. Just crazy moves. Going into global, not quite as crazy. They have also not fallen quite as much as the US markets. We can see again large cap growth. You can see Pollen Capital Global ETF up 9%. And diving into global ex-US, looking into some of the emerging markets, we can see First Trust emerging markets, Spider, 8-9% moves, some pretty crazy stuff. But really where we start having fun is when we start getting into regions and countries, sectors and industries. I'd note some big moves across different countries. Vietnam up 13%. China was only up 6.5%. And actually, that was up that pretty much prior to the Trump announcement today. So not a big move there relative to the other markets. Going into sectors and industries, technology, of course, was the top gainer there. But if we open up technology and go into semiconductors, we can see XSD up almost 20%, PSI. These are insane moves across there, each one of these. So just crazy market action on the day. Within the thematic space, we can hop in and we can see on the day, I sorted on ADV. FinTech ETFs up 12.47, blockchain, broad-based strategies, disruptive tech, big data, cloud computing, all up over 10%. Go to that multi-sector category. Been some beaten down names across here, but we can see ARC, Spear Alpha, both up over 16% on the day. So just some wild moves. And I thought it was a great day to point out, hey, these dashboards are completely free. You can go to them throughout the day. Obviously, on a desktop computer, our whole site is designed to be used on a PC, not on a mobile device. So you can track the markets through the lens of ETFs, live stats throughout the day. And then, of course, all of these different groupings and all these ETFs are linked into our databases just click the highlighted links if you want to learn more. And thanks for watching today's video insight. As always, if you have any questions, reach out, Team ETF Action. Let's hope that tomorrow brings more of what today brought. Thanks, everybody.